fascinating.
Okay.
Good morning, Jeep fans, flat fender fanatics, convoy crazies. Johnny here. So I woke up, had my coffee. We were sitting around the doghouse talking, and one of the fellas said, "Well, hey, we ought to have a fire tonight." And so we're gonna go across this creek bed. Hold on a second. I might have to go exploring today and have a little fun. Yeah, so the one guy was like, hey, we ought to have a fire tonight. So I took it upon myself to police up all the wood in the campground. Meanwhile, they went for a walk, him and his wife. Came back and said, hey, there's a bunch of firewood split and cut and split down here at the end of this trail by the road. And so I'm out here, I'm gonna go get her. We just gonna have a little fire. Just gotta keep my eyes peeled for it because I don't quite know where it is. So let's find that wood. Oh, here's a little bit. Gotta check for snacks though. I don't need none of that trouble. Little throttle, she'll pretty much climb a tree. Let's go down here. Heard the Port Copton. Well, this is probably what he was talking about here, so let's throw that in and head back to camp. So I think this is what he was actually talking about. Got to check for snakes though. Them snakes like them there wood piles. Although they probably would have come out to sun themselves by now, but you can never tell. I don't want to, out here in the middle of nowhere, I don't want to find out the hard way. I think we're good. Let's do this. Hey, do you think we have enough firewood? Now, before you say, Johnny, what about the fire danger? What about the fire? Listen, every single military vehicle here has at least one fire extinguisher on board within arm's reach. We'll be okay. So we're here at Camp Fender Bender, mobile Camp Fender Bender. I'm here with my friend Bill, and we're figuring out his GoPro so he can take some nice videos of the convoy. And well, we're gonna get my laundry up, and then maybe do a little adventuring.
My GoPro's GoPro and your GoPro.
Heck yeah! And I might go up the canyon here and see what we can see, and compile this video and get them all uploaded. And that'll be a wrap on rest day. The next rest day is going to be in Nevada somewhere, I think. And I think that's a 2-day rest day. So
I know the name and I can't think of it.
yeah, it's on the tip of my tongue. But yeah, some pretty stuff out here to see in Utah. I haven't seen any Mormons yet that I know of.
We have seen some beautiful scenery.
Yeah, that's for sure. And you guys got to see it too, so we'll just keep on a-trucking, as they say. See ya.
Hey Brad, we're targeting 6:30. You good with that?
Yeah, yeah. That's perfect.
gesture. He was going to go between them and was going to pull that storm either back out to sea or away from your area. And then she said, well, it's coming in so fast. I said, well, no, but once it goes by the Bahamas, it's going to slow down. Jet streams, and then it should start moving north. I said, I can't say it's not going to hit Florida, but it's not going to go right over top of it. We had the red line going over. She called me. She said, son of a bitch, how do you know that shit? It did exactly what I told her it was going to do. But, you know, you can't be positive on it because these could change and this could change. But this time it fell right on there. The weather service can't.
Well, my friends, I have to apologize, and I have a confession to make here. The plan was to have dinner, had this amazing feast, so that was amazing. Rooster made a crab boil, or shrimp boil, and Bernie cooked up some corn, and some of the other fellas, did you see that lightning? Some of the other fellas brought some chili, and some other folks brought some hot dogs and buns, and we just had a heck of a feast. And the plan was to upload my videos after that, go back into town and sleep in town, but then the storms rolled in, and we got some scattered severe thunderstorms coming up into Salt Lake City, so I'm staying here tonight, and you guys are just gonna have to wait one more day till I get my videos up. Sorry. So, to make a long story short, we're hooking the rig back up, getting all my gear back in the trailer. We're gonna open up my stretcher and make my little diary entry, and well, get up in the morning and do it all over again. So we'll get these uploaded as I can. Keep on keeping on. We'll see you next time. Peace out.